Hey, good morning to all my viewers. So today is February the 13th, 2025. So today I'm doing a snow vlog. So there's a snowstorm today. The biggest snowstorm of the season, actually, of winter. So they said that it's gonna be snowing. Oh yeah, there's a snow plow there. Hey, you can see it in the distance. And they said that this is gonna be like up to 40 centimeter of snow. So it is big. And for the ones that lives in another country, or out of Canada, these are how Canadian winters look. These are how tough these winters are. So they haven't even plowed every single spot. Enjoy the video, you could say. They have plowed the streets, but not the sidewalk. Okay. Man, that is a lot of snow. Okay. Tried to make this staying long as if I could. Okay, you know what? Let's just cross the street and let's head that way. No, this is even worse. Nah, never mind. Oh shoot. You know what? Nah, just gonna end my video here. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and bye.